How to turn off read receipts on Instagram. For a specific person, first open your Instagram app. Go to message option. Select the chat you want to turn off. Tap on the profile. Tap on the privacy and safety. Now turn off the read receipt toggle. This person won't know if you've seen his messages or not. How to turn off for everyone. Tap on your profile icon. Tap the three-line menu. Click on messages and story replies. Click on show read receipts. Turn off this option. Now nobody will know if you've seen their messages or not.